Hi everyone, good evening, namaskar, sat sri akal, salam alaikum. I hope you're all well, fine, healthy, safe. Great to have you guys. I welcome you all to this session. We have launched a lot of courses right from class 7th, but this is something that we have been receiving from the parents and also siblings of the students that have already been enrolled with us to start something for class 5th and 6th. So for the first time, वी आर लॉन्चिंग लेवल 4 हमने सोचा था कि यार अगले साल लॉन्च करेंगे बिकॉज इस साल ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हुए हैं बट दिस लेवल इज सिंस इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ ऑल द क्लासेज एंड इज ओनली फॉर class 5th and 6th, and that is why we thought and there was a lot of pressure from the parents and also, as I said, siblings of the students who were already studying with us in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and that is why we are here officially announcing level 4. Level 4 is for grades 5th and 6th class students who want to learn good mathematics, who want to make a mark, who have, if mathematics excite them, mathematics पढ़ने में मजा आता है, mathematics अच्छा लगता है, so this is one course which is exactly there for you, and it is going to be a lot of fun in this course because as I said, जैसे कि हम बाकी courses के अंदर भी करते हैं, we tend to do and solve a lot of puzzles, lot of mathematical oriented things. We give a lot of questions as homework so that a child is able to sleep over those problems, and of course long run it is going to you're going to achieve excellence. That is the only thing that we promise. Right, so what are these Olympiad math courses? This is for the students who are and parents particularly who are watching this session for the first time. So this is a concept that we have taken out. We have already been doing these kind of courses for the last 3 years now, but abhi inka special naam de diya gaya hai. Right, so we have divided the journey of a child right from class 1 to class maybe 11th into different levels of mathematics, irrespective of what is studying in the schools. Most of it means 70-80% is what is studying in school. उसी को हम ऊपर लेकर जाते हैं, उसी को में ही उसका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करते हैं, उसी को ही प्रैक्टिकल वे में सिखाते हैं what is actual mathematics and not what is studying in schools. So again, mathematical subjects from Olympiads point of view include mathematics topics from all the boards which are relevant to Olympiads, and particularly the topics which have been excluded from the boards over the last so many years. And of course, they include problems and puzzles. The courses have been designed keeping the student grades and learning capacity in mind, and of course it is going to lay a very strong foundation for them later in their lives. So level 4 is what we are introducing. This is recommended for classes 5th and 6th grade students. The purpose, of course, is the idea is to teach them good mathematics so that they are able to achieve the excellence. पढ़ने में मन लगे, sitting capacity बढ़े. A lot of things are attained. मैं बताऊंगा, अभी discuss भी करूंगा what parents have shared with us. But the main idea behind is to learn good mathematics, to make them interested in mathematics, to teach them the kind of mathematics which they ought to learn in schools, but they are not taught in schools. And but how do we measure them? School marks तो of course basic है, वो तो improve होंगे ही होंगे, but हम measure कैसे करेंगे कि जो हम पढ़ा रहे हैं उसका सही में फायदा हो रहा है? So there are certain good Olympiads. I'm talking about the good Olympiads, not the fake ones, which we recommend, जिनका level अच्छा होता है. And so those Olympiads at this level are Mathematics Kangaroo and NMTC Junior. So NMTC is something which is totally school oriented, because अगर school participate करता है तो only then the child is able to give NMTC. Otherwise, Mathematics Kangaroo is one standard examination which is there, and a lot of students globally give this examination, and you can measure your child's progress with this. Right, so duration is going to be 20 weeks. Right, so just to tell you about, so what is the need of this? क्या need है? As I told, the idea is to achieve excellence in mathematics, make your child interested in learning good mathematics, the kind of mathematics he should learn but is not taught. And of course, great career later. Ultimately, great career तो बहुत दूर की बात है. अगर वो 5th 6th में है तो career तो बहुत बात की बात है, but ultimately होता क्या है कि he should be having interest in numbers from the start. He should not get bored by the kind of stuff which is there in their school books, because most of the students at this level, they generally get bored. They don't have, a lot of things. Mathematics at this level does not excite them as far as school books are concerned, and that is why this course for 5th and 6th grade students. So better understanding for school math, make a space for other subjects, and Mathematics Kangaroo NMTC Junior is what we are going to target. This is how we are going to measure the success. So अगर आपको लगता है your child is intelligent but likes guidance, direction, mathematics excite him, but he finds school level stuff very boring, very basic, you want to make strong base for your child. And if you feel, so this is one of the things that we have been getting a lot of feedback from the parents, that आपके course करने के बाद the child has been sitting for long hours, which earlier was missing. And because किसी भी चीज़ में अगर मन लग जाता है, of course the child would sit and definitely do that thing which he actually likes. And if he is not challenged enough in school, so this level 4 is definitely making sense for all the students and parents of class 5th and 6th. क्या है? So get her under, ठीक है? Okay, so this is a 40-day live lecture, 2 days a week. 40 assignments are going to be there, 8 part tests, two full tests, NMTC level is going to be there. Telegram doubt solving are going to be, so any doubt if you feel, of course you can ask them in the class, but apart from the class, you can also put them on Telegram. And so what all are we going to cover in the 40 lectures? So basically it is going to be the school curriculum plus some additional things which we think that child at this age is able to grasp. Right, so we'll be discussing about the basic fundamentals, that is knowing the numbers, playing with numbers, divisibility tests, 2, 3, 4, 5, factors and multiples, largest and smallest numbers using digits, simplification of numbers and decimals, integers and fractions. Fractions ke upar we are going to discuss a lot. Playing with numbers, percentage, profit, loss, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So all these things, some of these things are there, are the part of the curriculum of the child. Some of these things which are maybe there in class 7th and 8th, but we think that these are the kind of things which a student of a good level student of 5th and 6th is able to take. HCF, LCM हम introduce करने वाले हैं, magic squares, money, speed, time, world problems on age, ratio, proportion, basic geometry, rays, angles, straight lines, parallel lines. This all basic geometry is going to get introduced. Quadrilaterals, polygons are going to get introduced. We're going to do a lot of problems on squares, rectangles, circles, 3D shape and critical level problems we are going to introduce. So this course has been, we have put a lot of efforts because 5th or 6th बहुत ही एक tender age होती है, and the only idea is कि बच्चा एक अच्छे मैथ्स की तरफ आगे बढ़े, एक अच्छी critical level thinking develop हो. So this is the only idea that is behind the construction of this course, and we have put in a long hours to construct this course. Statistics is average, pie chart, graphs, data handling, combinatorics. So basic combinatorics we are going to introduce at this age because we feel that this is an amazing tool for us to increase the level of understanding and increase the critical thinking of a child. Basic algebra we are going to introduce, properties of algebra, constants, word problems, reasoning, mensuration. So all these amazing things, guys, all these amazing things, you can have a look at this. So this is what net, cube and dice, direction, patterns, clock and calendar, math puzzles. A lot of math puzzles are going to be given so that child is able to think that on his own, and we are going to, they are going to give us some amazing solutions on this. Right, so this is all we are going to cover in this particular course, and it is going to be amazing. As I said, puzzles पे हम बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, puzzles के ऊपर हम बहुत ज़्यादा time devote करते हैं, and we give these puzzles to the students in our classes, and we give them time for a day, for 2 days to think over it, and they come with amazing solutions every time we give them. Right, so every class is going to start from the basic, go till advanced level. A lot of discussions are going to be there. So this is one of the classes which I have been taking. Although in this course, the teacher is going to be amazing. Amit sir is going to take this course. Okay. So all tests are going to be fresh, a lot of thoughts. Okay, so one objective that we plan to see is excellence, transformation towards excellence, right? So this is the only objective कि बच्चे का दिमाग मैथ्स के अंदर जाए, is able to create good things with mathematics, is able to think it through, able to improve his critical reasoning skills, logical reasoning skills. That is the only objective, because 5th or 6th class में there are not many Olympiads, good level Olympiads which a child can give. There are a lot of SOF kind of Olympiads which we ourselves do not recommend because उसका level इतना होता नहीं है, and उसे एक false hope लग जाता है. If a child wins gold medal or silver medal in those Olympiads, get single-digit ranks, so there's a false hope that gets associated because the real Olympiads, the Olympiads which are created by the Mathematics Teachers Association, चाहे वो NMTC हो, चाहे वो IOQM हो, तो those are the good Olympiad, and वहाँ पर जब बच्चा देता है after winning gold medals, he is totally rejected. So again, we tend to stay away from those kind of Olympiads, but 5th, 6th पे there are certain good Olympiads which we've already mentioned. One is Mathematics Kangaroo, the other is NMTC Sub Junior. Right, so what are the specifics? So one batch for this course is going to run on Friday and Saturday. So Friday, Saturday evenings, one batch is going to run. The classes are going to be 1 hour class, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. The course is going to start from 6th of October, the Friday, and Friday, Saturday. And teacher is going to be Amit Modak sir. So Amit Modak sir have been taking some classes on this particular channel also. You can see his classes, see his method of teaching, style of teaching, and I'm sure you're going to get impressed with that. And बच्चे वेदांतु के students बहुत ज़्यादा fan है अमित सर के, particularly from students of class 5th to 8th. ये बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से बच्चों के doubts cater करते हैं and एक बच्चे के ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं, right? And वो तुम्हें आपको दिख भी जाएगा as you see those classes, Amit sir's classes on YouTube. The price is going to be 7,000 rupees and the coupon code is ABMPRO. The link is there in the description box. तो पहला ही जो link है that is level 4 का link, and you can click that link and you'll be able to buy this particular course, right? So if you are aiming for excellence, then Vedantu's Olympiad Math Mastery courses make real sense, and I'm sure it is going to do. Of course, one doubt which a lot of parents are going to have is कि बच्चा 5th में है, 6th में है, but 7th, 8th का syllabus कर लिया है, so they are confused कि sir level 4 लें या level 5 लें, right? So let me put this on record, and I'll also take a session separately on this. That if at any point we feel that the child जो content कराया जा रहा है वो बच्चा already कर चुका है, so we are automatically going to shift him or her to the next level. For example, if a child takes level 4 and the kind of content that we are doing in the class is easy for him or her, and which will be reflected by the amount of questions that he gives in the class and also in the tests, we are definitely going to shift him to the next level. And likewise, level 5 to level 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. So ये internally हम करते हैं. Once the student is connected to us, he is ours, and we are making sure, we are going to make sure that उसका level improve हो, constant ना रहे, improve हो. This is the only thing that we do in Vedantu because it is totally students oriented. All right, so एक बार मैं दिखा भी देता हूँ those who want to. Right, so this is कहाँ गया? Right, so यहाँ पर ये Olympiad level 4 है. Okay, this link is not working, but if you copy this vedantu.com, ये पूरा copy करोगे, then of course I'll just help you. So just copy. I'll get this link sorted also. So just copy this. Okay. So this is the link which is going to get open, and buy now, and coupon code gets automatically applied. These are the payment options. Proceed to pay. You can take this course. If there are any other questions, you can always connect to me over Telegram, and you can write anything in the comment section that you want to be answered. So that's it from my side, guys. Take care. God bless you. Bye, everyone. See you all.